Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to change the currency type at your portfolio on eToro. Open the app and after logging in you will be on this page. Then go to settings, right here, click on display, go a little bit down and under the display currency you can see euro now, but if you tap on it then you will be able to choose from different currency types. I will choose the pound now. I just click on it and you have to know that the trades are still executed in US dollar, but if you go to your portfolio by clicking on the pie chart, you can see that now everything is in, for me is in pounds and for you is in the type of currency you have chosen. Thanks for your attention and happy trading.